is running events, is that something that a recruitment company could do to show they are different rather than just talking about it or emailing about it or in-mailing about it?
So the other part of the puzzle is owning your niche, owning your market, knowing who the clients are, having great relationships with them, knowing where to find people. And building a community means that you can do that. So if you build a community within your niche, which isn't always possible if it's a really broad niche, but if you build that community, then you're going to get more leverage and you're going to have that as a USP. And doing events is part of that. So in-person events, roundtable online events, things like that. And I think that there are some recruitment businesses who do that super successfully. So they will run, all over the UK or wherever they operate, these like the old-fashioned tweet-up type experiences, or like HR Disrupt, those type of events where you bring together people who are both clients and candidates. So just to partners, bringing them together. And I think that if you have the capability to do that, then yeah, I totally agree. It doesn't have to be physical events. So one of the things I've seen people do quite successfully is create podcast series in their space, which is what you're doing here. You're speaking to people to get in front of your audience, to establish credibility, and recruiters can do that too. And it has a kind of dual purpose, because actually also you can build relationships with potential clients because you invite them to come onto your podcast or to speak at your event. So yeah, I'm 100% behind you in the idea of using events, building community to help form a USP or to establish that kind of industry niche expertise.